reason why I sold the Sheepey. So this is the new build. Been had it for a while, but now I'm gonna pick up the camera on it. Just a quick video, cause I'm gonna do a full video on it. But Evo 9MR, blown motor right now, but I'm building it. Y'all will see that. So it's just behind the stuff scenes I've been waiting, putting off on. I'm gonna start recording it now. But yeah, here's the Evo. In a full video, I'll do the full plans with this car. Interior. So I've already been working on the car. I just gotta update you guys on all I've done. The car was kind of rough at first, but slowly dialing it in. I'm gonna start recording what I'm doing now. So quick summary of it, the plans for it. Basically built 2.0, cams, I got everything for it. FP red turbo, street daily car. So this is gonna be the daily. Got a lot of things I want to do quickly over the inside. I'll make a whole video on this car, so I know if it's quick. Evo 9MR seats, interior, shift knob, just did a lot of little things. That's almost perfect. You see that stuff missing, it's not done yet. So yeah, so this is the official turbo that will be running on the Evo. FP red, built, rebuilt, ordered by Janari Turbo. So don't know exactly what it's gonna make. 550-ish. So if we hit 550, I'll be cool with that. That'd be plenty. 500's even cool. So yeah, can't wait. I got everything else. Just waiting on that front mount, fuel pressure regulator, and we'll be gapping fools. So cracked it open. See what we got. See the writing. You see it. You see it. I must need parts for the Evo, in my opinion. Feels good. It's my first ever Cusco part ever. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and install it today. I've decided. Super clean. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this blue though, since changing up the color with brakes and valve cover. I just kind of want it all to match, but it's still gonna be clean. I might run it with the blue until it's officially ready. But yeah, got that Cusco bar, super clean. Sheesh. There it is, installed. I just got it mocked up because it's gonna come off pretty soon. So, but yeah, looks different on my own car in person. I like it. Soon, man, soon. It's gonna be terrorizing the streets, taking everything and runs up on it. Man, I can't wait. Still got so much to do to this car. Yeah, we getting there day by day, part by part. But yeah. Wow, what's good, YouTube? We back working on the Evo today, or unboxing a part for the Evo. So this should go on the first or second episode of building the Evo. Now that you guys know I have it, it's announced. So start uploading videos on it slowly. It's a slow process, but should be running here soon, boosting. So yeah, about to unbox this. My new intercooler, as you can see down there, got it mocked up, but now we got the real thing. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. Bam. You see the logo? Let me go ahead and get this thing out of the wrapping. So got the 3.5-inch Sheepey race intercooler, rated for 850. Car won't be nowhere near that. Should be making 550 to 6, but yeah, this is super clean. First ever Sheepey product, so quality is as expected for the price point of these. So yeah, I might go ahead, remove the front bumper, Just set it down in front of it, just see what it looks like. But yo, woo! So right now, as you can see on the car, I got a little mock-up because with this intercooler, with the width and sizing of everything, it's hard to fit it with this Cusco bar. But I'm gonna try to make it work. Well, I'm gonna make it work. Might see some modifications on these brackets, but I'm gonna try to keep it intact as much as possible and get this to fit. Whether it's that we have to chop this or run some spacers or whatever I gotta do to make this fit. So stock intercoolers off, bumpers off. To say the least, I got a little excited, so took that intercooler off, took the Cusco bar off, just to test fit. It's gonna look super good. I mean, it's literally look at a coupler, it's right there, almost perfect with this intercooler piping. But sheesh, looks so good. See what it looks like with the hood down. Mean. I won't be running no bumper for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Golly, can't get over it. Got a little hood dump coming out right here too, so just need that forward facing kit, yo. So it was a good thing I did test fit this thing, because at first I thought I was gonna have to cut the Cusco bar. Because on the Sheepey's website it said it's 30-inch length, and I thought the core came to 30-inch, but it actually came to the bottom of the end tank, which fits in there literally perfect. I mean, we still got a little gap right there, still got space in the back, so sheesh, really perfect. Another thing I did yesterday, I finally put Vivo's headliner lights in, the dome lights right there. Got those painted and secured in, so Evo interior is officially done, minus the steering wheel. But besides that, so just like you guys thought, I thought this video was over too, but I got a little impatient and went ahead and threw the front bumper on. That's a sheepdog. I can't wait till this is all painted, got the new badge, bumpers all fixed, hood dump, valve cover done, get new JDM headlights. I have the vision in my head, guys, so I'm slowly bringing it to life. So far, so good. I've done every single thing I wanted to do to this car. So really not much I want to do, but you guys will see. I like to keep it simple and clean. But yeah, I think this video is officially over now. So stay tuned on the build, stay tuned on the channel. A lot of fun stuff